Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am so excited today. I have my Simply Earth box and I love essential oils. I have done essential oils for years. So when Simply Earth reached out to me and asked if they could send me this box for review, I said, absolutely. I love making their projects. It is not just an essential oil box, but it is also a box that tells you what you can do with the essential oils you receive. It helps you along. It gives you the items that you need to make the products that they're going to suggest that you make. And they take care of you in the beginning. With your first box, and I will put my link below, you will receive a $40 gift card that you could actually use toward your next box. So basically it's like buy a box, get a box free. And you get a big bonus box, which I have set up back here for you guys to see. And that will give you additional ingredients that you will need to make all of the recipes that they give you in here. With each box, we get 4 essential oils, 6 recipes, and extra products we need to make this recipe. So let's get in here and see what we've got this month. Simply Earth is a $39 per month subscription. And you get pure ingredients, and each month is designed around a theme. Like December's, everything is all snowy and minty and candy caney, and it was so good. And I haven't seen what January is going to be, so I am ready to rip into this. It is 100% aromatherapist certified essential oils. Let's open it. This is what it looks like. And as we go through, I will tell you what each of these goodies is. But this is what it looks like. These are our oils. This is the recipe cards that I took out, and these are additional products that we'll need to make the recipes. You're going to be so impressed. And again, I will put the link and my code KathrinFree below, which will get you your $40 gift card and this awesome bonus box that I will probably talk about more as we go through the recipes. But first, let's see what our essential oils are. And before we start, let me tell you what I tell you before I open any essential oils box. Read about the oils. Some oils you can use on children, some you can't. Some oils you should not use around some pets, sometimes cats, sometimes dogs. Just be aware of what you're using. And if it's something that you're going to apply to your body, be sure and use a carrier oil. You need like 1 or 2 drops in a teaspoon of carrier oil to get the full effects of that product. And it's better to use less. This month we have Hoe Wood 100% essential oil. I have no idea what that is. Let's sniff it and find out. All right. Oh, that smells nice. It smells kind of like, it almost smells, my instinct is it almost smells like iced tea with lemon. Oh, I just got it all over my nose after telling you guys to be sure and use a carrier oil. Okay. I'm back from a quick respite. I got it on my nose and it says that not to use it undiluted. So I took a little bit of my coconut oil and put it on my nose. So if I look like I am a little red in the nose, it's because I was just rubbing it with some tissue to make sure that it was diluted now. All right, let's see what our next oil is. It is Relief 100% pure essential oil, and it is rosemary, juniper berry, eucalyptus, peppermint, and I don't know this last word, and copaiba essential oil. Oh, that's nice. I smell the eucalyptus with a little bit of berry in there, but mostly I smell the eucalyptus. It smells very nice. It smells like something you want to take in when you have a little bit of a cold. Next, I have a lemon. We know what lemon smells like, and I actually have one open, so we won't open that. And then we have clary sage. Let's open that up. I don't know if I know what clary sage smells like off the top of my head. Oh, dirt. This is not my favorite scent. It's very, very herbal is what the overwhelming scent of it is it's very herbal. In addition to our oils, we also receive recipe cards, which I think is amazing. And then we receive this, and it's a sticker sheet. So as you make the recipes, you can attach it to whatever you've made, and you'll know what it is. Let's look at our recipes and see what we're going to get to make this month. This is the most exciting part. So we have a Relax and Detox Foot Bath. I'll go through this first one thoroughly to make my point about that lovely bonus box, and then I'll just hit the highlights. The Relax and Detox Foot Bath takes 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. Well, when you order your first box and you get this bonus box, you get fractionated coconut oil, which is what I just used to dilute the oil I got on my nose. And all the fractionated means is it's liquefied. You also get a hard coconut oil, and this is kind of like you scoop out like if you're going to cook. So that's what you use. And then you use 4 drops of the hoe wood oil, 3 drops of the clary sage, 1 cup of Epsom salt, and an 8 to 10 ounce jar container. And you provide the Epsom salt in the jar for that. The next one is a meditation diffuser blend. Diffusing is probably my favorite thing to do with oils. I just love to fill the air with the scent of the oils. So they say for meditation to use 2 drops of the hoe wood and 3 drops of the lemon. And you can just put that right in your diffuser with the water. And if you like that scent, you can make it for the future, because when you get your first box and your bonus box, you will get 6 of these 5 ml bottles, and you just put that formula. So 2 parts hoe wood to 3 parts lemon, and then you would have it pre-made for when you want it in the future. And like I said, you get 6 of those in that box. We're going to be able to make a relief massage oil, which you use the relief blend oil that we got. And it says an ounce of avocado oil, which they've given us because that's the kind of people they are. So we have 2 ounces, so we could make it twice just with the avocado oil that they've given us. And you use a 1 ounce container, and I suspect that is what this is for. So you can make that entire relief massage oil with what they've given you. You have your oil, your dilution oil, your avocado, and the bottle you're going to blend it into. It's awesome, right? Next, we have a circulation boost body butter, and you use 1/2 cup of the coconut oil solid. That is what we have here. And when you get your first box, you get 12 fluid ounces, so you get like 1.5 cups, so you still have plenty left. A 1/2 teaspoon of beeswax. That is what is in this little bag. I'm telling you, they are so thorough. 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, which they've given us this month. And then your oils, your clary sage, your hoe wood, and your lemon, and a 6 to 8 ounce sealable jar or container, which you provide. Then the refresh spray. You use the lemon oil, the hoe wood oil, and the relief oil, and some distilled water, and you put it in a 2 ounce spray bottle, which they've given you. I mean, so thorough. And last but not least, it's a relief roll-on, which takes 8 drops of the relief, 9 to 10 ml of the fractionated coconut oil, and a 10 ml roll-on bottle. And I know you're saying to yourself, where am I going to get a 10 ml roll-on bottle? You also get 6 of those in your bonus box, and it's just a 10 ml roll-on bottle, and they're empty. And they've got the nice little roller balls on top, and you can make your little blend in here. You have 6 of them in your box. I know. All right, guys, so that is the January Simply Earth Essential Oils box, and I love it. I cannot wait to make all of these things. I enjoy it so much. The December ones were so fantastic. And we have 4 oils, our 6 recipe cards, which are very exciting, the stickers that we can put on whatever we make it in, which they've given us most of. And if you use the link below with my KathrinFree code, you will get with your first purchase a $40 gift card that you can use on your next purchase, and this big bonus box, which helps you have all of the things you need to make all of these things for $39. It's a great deal. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon.